Understanding the phrase, "take it back," a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, "take it back." This is a common phrase in English, but it can be a bit confusing for language learners. We'll break down its meanings and how to use it in different contexts. So, let's get started. The most straightforward meaning of "take it back" is to physically return something to its original place or to the person from whom it was taken. For example, I decided to take the dress back to the store because it didn't fit. Here, it means literally returning an item. Take it back can also be used figuratively. It often appears in apologies or when someone wants to retract a statement. For instance, "I shouldn't have said that. I take it back." In this context, it means withdrawing a statement or opinion, usually because it was hurtful or incorrect. Another common usage is in expressing regret about past actions. For example, "If I could take it back, I would." Here, the speaker wishes they could undo or reverse a past action or decision. Sometimes, "take it back" is part of an idiomatic expression. Like, "you can't take it back once it's said," which means once something is spoken, it cannot be unsaid or its impact reversed. The tone and context can change the meaning of "take it back." In a playful setting, it might be less serious, like, "take back what you said about my cooking." However, in a serious argument, it could convey deep regret or a request for forgiveness. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, "take it back." We've seen how it can be used literally and figuratively, in apologies, expressions of regret, and idiomatic expressions. Remember, the context and tone are key to understanding its meaning. I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next English learning adventure.